Well, it is a lovely Friday afternoon for me. It is sunny out. I didn't have a ton to do in the shop today. It was mostly town stuff. So I've been out and about on town and then spent the last hour or so doing a little bit of painting, as you can see. But I'm not in work mode today. I'm in fun mode today. And one fun thing that you guys all know that I love is new tools. So here we are. This is the Wera Tool Company. They're a brand new company. We're fairly new as far as I can know. I just saw their items in BC Fasteners, which I do a lot of shopping inside BC Fasteners. And I thought, hey, I want to give these things a go. So I've got a couple things from them, and let's check them out together. So this one is it's an 11-piece, I can't even really give you exactly what the name of it is. The Clop Comfort. So, oh, this is cool. So it comes with some Velcro, so you can put it on in your truck, wherever. And there we go, this fancy little ratchet and sockets. And there's an extension. So I've read really great reviews about these things, about this company. You can find them on Instagram and give them oh, that's neat. This brand has a button on the back that you just push the button and it releases it. So that is really handy. Nice little switch. That is a nice gear ratio for that. What a cool function. And then these just fit nicely into here. This ratchet's open, or this Velcro's open and closed. You get a nice extension, and these things are pretty heavy duty. I know they have a really great warranty for all of their tools for these, so I'm really excited. This one will probably leave in my truck. Maybe it will stay somewhat clean, not being in here. But what a handy little set, and I mean, it's got a really nice weight to it, rubber handle. The coating on here, this actually feels like it's got some sort of plastic coating on it. But it's a really nice size. It's got really good gears. You know, that button on the top is going to be so awesome. What a cool little tool set. So let's see what else I got here. So this other one, and I know that many of you have complained to me about this many a times in many of my videos. And you guys, I do try to take as best care of myself as I possibly can when I do my work. But this one, there we go. How awesome. It is a kneeling pad, and it's got a bottle opener in the middle of your kneeling pad. How handy is that? So I can be working on my truck and crack a beer whenever I want to. Really nice foam mat. It'll be great. It's nice and light. It's got a handle. It'll be great for tossing in my toolbox. That will fit in my pack-out setup, which is really great. So when I am on a job site, I can have something quick and fast that I can be kneeling on so I don't wreck my old bones. But this is really cool. What an awesome little tool haul. Wera Tool brand. Make sure that you guys go check them out on Instagram, give them a like, maybe grab some of their tools. If you're local to me in Kamloops here, then go find them at BC Fasteners, because BC Fasteners is amazing. Hope everybody has a fun tool day.